We're taking the cup. This will be like final.
So can he do it?
Shit. Come on. We got it.
That's won it! So these are our winners. A word for the vanquished who played more than their part in this competition and did very well to make the final. But it just wasn't to be for them. The right
South Africa will win AFCON
in the end.
2025 this year.
Right in time.
This is not just a game, it's a prediction. It's a prophecy.
Onto centre stage come the central characters, the individuals who, as a team, led them into champions, and this is their moment.